Hey y'all, out here at Goodguy's Columbus PPG Nationals, and 2014 they just unveiled the giveaway truck for next year, and it's got a big crowd around it. I did a little video showing them rolling it in and the big deal that they did, but now I think I'm going to be able to get close enough just to take a quick look or walk around video of it. So let me fight through the crowd and see if I can get anything for you. Like I said, you know, it's just unveiled. The balloons are still laying down here, and it's still drawing a crowd, but I'm going to try to fight my way through balloons and people. Oh, yeah. We like these, don't we, guys? Man, that's a cool truck, dude. I like those yellow line wheels. That's cool.
Andy, if you get with oh, okay. And but I guess I need to find out
I like the color. These balloons, I'm not sure if I'm tripping over somebody or if I'm just stepping on a balloon, but yeah, air ride, you gotta love that. Look at that. I like what they did on that, right? Good guys. Very cool. It's gonna be out for the rest of the year and then the first half of next year. So get out to a Goodguy show and check it out, because that's one cool truck, right? Well, those are cool wheels, boy. Hey, look at that. They moved all the gauges to the center, and they used like a late model or a later model. They used a panel out of a pickup truck, it looks like, but they moved it to the center. Man, that's very cool. Indicators on top of the steering column, too. Been a long time since I've seen that.
okay, good. Yeah, okay.
We're covering the coils.
Man, that's cool.
We're gonna put it over in over by press around. Okay.
So anyways, there you go. Again, Goodguy's Columbus, or Goodguy's PPG Nationals Columbus 2014. There's the 15 giveaway truck. See ya.